On today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated I.
I just took my sway bar out just so it can loosen up a bit. I haven't used it in a bit.
Yeah, good idea. You gotta use it once in a while. Might need four-wheel drive here. There's an old hot tub in there.
The hole in there.
Yeah. That's the Crystal River Grand Canyon right there on the right.
Yeah, that's a fitting name.
I just made it up. I don't know what it is.
This is really cool. I like how it opened up.
Yeah, wait till you see up here.
You weren't kidding about the sand dunes, huh? Damn, that is really steep, huh?
Well, I turned my traction control off, but it was still doing it for some reason.
You see where I am right now up here?
Oh yeah, I see you.
Well, like I said, don't forget this is their dry season.
This is the dry season. Hello?
Hi, this is Vanessa, and I'm giving you a call from the dealer service center.
Take me
and
off the
wanted
list.
to give you.
Is that your traction control that keeps stopping you?
I think it's still doing the traction control.
Yeah, the tires aren't even spinning.
It sounds like
I don't know, I got it turned off. Maybe I gotta hold it off. Is there anything right
it says
here?
here if you hold the button for 5 seconds, then it turns it off completely. It disables it.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
Alright, I knew there had to be something. Damn it, almost. That was so close that time.
Pine needles.
This isn't too smart, is it?
Hey, oh my gosh, we looked over and you're higher than Snoop Dogg over there.
Yeah, the sugar sand is like extra sugary, I guess would be the word. You'd have to air down the tires to like 15 pounds to get good traction. Then you wouldn't really have a problem, to be honest.
Yeah, I was thinking about that. I was like, I could definitely make this if my tires had less pressure in them, but I don't really care enough to do that. I'm still enjoying it.
It's got a narrow.
To take pictures of our Jeeps together in front of this giant shelf.
Good idea. Who is this now? Hello? What, I get on some sucker list now?
I just held it for the traction control for like 5 seconds and it dinged and now it says it's off.
Oh, so yeah, that has that option too. I didn't realize that.
Yeah, it's definitely good to know.
Oh, there's somebody there.
Oh, that does. It looks like there's a light on the top.
Just wave and keep going.
Oh, that's good. You didn't care.
Maybe he was going to play. That'd be something neat to try to crawl through if you straddle it, right? Even Andrew was saying.
You dirt bike.
See it? Down the middle, you can try and straddle these. Ooh, I was close to the edge there.
A few moments later.
Must be nice.
Cooking their peppers in the same juices that they use to cook their meats.
Yeah, yeah,
Like
this
they
is
cook their meats,
it's amazing.
everything, and then they put the peppers in after.
This is amazing. And the scenery. There's a lot of work in these. So I took the pontoon back to Jeff. He pressure washed the pontoons off really good. They're nice and clean now. Thanks again, Jeff.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products to use are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.